Isn't that a reflection of how shitty the healthcare system here in the Philippines? Napansin nyo ba na yung mga mayayaman, yung may mga pera, kapag kailangan nila magpa-hospital, pupunta sila sa ibang bansa to seek for medical care? Isn't that a reflection of how shitty the healthcare system here in the Philippines? Kung yung may mga pera nga ayaw magtiwala sa mga ospital dito paano na lang yung mga walang-wala? Wala silang choice. And again, don't get me wrong, I'm not generalizing here. There are bad doctors, there are bad hospitals, pero meron din namang maayos na medical facilities at maayos na doctors. Pero hindi ba dapat standard naman yan across the board? We are talking about healthcare here. Hindi ba dapat regardless whether you're in public or private hospitals, dapat standard ang level of care na binibigay sa mga pasyente? Di ba?